mentioned earlier, I painted these clamps and these rails. And of course, I got looking at the original bolts and I thought, oh, I can't do that. So I went out and bought new bolts. I'm going to go ahead and provide new bolts and wave washers as an addition to the kit for those of you who would like to beautify their engines. So what you want to do when you put these bolts in, you want to make sure that this clamp is seated on the top of the grommet. Push down on this, roll it forward, and start the bolt. And you want to keep the pressure on the grommet so it doesn't jump out of alignment with that clamp until you run the bolt all the way down. You get a nut driver if they're not going in by hand. So you can see I've got a good seat, a good alignment around the housing of the injector on that grommet, and we've got this down tight. So this one's good. We'll go ahead and do the other three. Then we'll come back and tighten these bolts, and you tighten them until they go down and bottom out. When they bottom out, that indicates there's enough pressure on that grommet to hold the injector tight into that small seal going into the cylinder head.